Beautiful countryside here. Road's a little bumpy, but that's why you have wider tires in Cuba. There's some goats snacking on the side of the road. We're about halfway to Cardenas. Goats are pretty smart. I don't think I've ever had one run right in front of me. So first we had goats, and now we've got some cattle. And this is the official way to make your way through a cow herd. Just go slow. Just go slow. They're used to people and cars and trucks. One thing that I should have mentioned when we were showing the bikes earlier is the handlebar on Beth's bike. It's called a Jones bar. How do you like that handlebar, Beth? It's nice, eh? It gives you lots of hand positions. Lets you sit upright so your back's upright, and it takes the weight off your wrists. Just arriving in the edge of Cardenas. It's a market town. We just took the Carretera Nacional, I think it was, for about 1 kilometer, and it's a national highway. And on the south side of town, heading east, it's one way as a highway, and when you come back, you go right through the middle of town on what turns out to be a fairly busy road through the middle of town. So we'll film that on the way back. Here it is now.
This is the one where you go on the other one. We cross over. Does that sound good?
Yeah, so we're going to avoid the highway for a minute and take the back route. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's just show you how you pass a horse-drawn carriage in Cuba. You're going to come across horse-drawn carriages quite a lot, and they're really used to bicycles, cars, trucks. So give them a couple feet, you'll be fine. Hola. There you go. No worries. It's 3:20 now, so school just got out. Now this guy's determined. Can imagine in previous years this must have been quite a well-kept place, but not so much anymore. You end up with this mold on the building. I know that from Canada, where mold grows due to the ethanol gassing off from the rum tanks. This is the Havana Club rum factory, and I got to admit, stopping here to take a photo or some video is really pleasant because I can smell the molasses. So much opportunity to develop this area. Right on the sea here. Showed you some of the crappier parts of Cardenas. This is the nice main street with most of the shops and restaurants on it, and then there's this beautiful cathedral. We were here last year, and this whole front yard was dug up to build this new park. Did a nice job. What a spectacular building.